helping them grow strong and tall. Stems rise up, reaching the sky, carrying nutrients as they climb out high. From root to leaf, they make a way, standing tall every day. Leaves spread wide beneath the sun, turning light to energy, having fun. That's a dance of photosynthesis, making food for plants with bliss. Roots drink deep, holding tight. Stems stand tall, reaching high. Leaves open wide, catching rays. Flowers bloom, brightening days. Fruits hold seeds ready to go, starting new life where breezes blow. Flowers bloom in colors bright, calling bees with all their might. Pollination is their game, helping life go on the same. Fruits appear, a tasty treat, nature's gift that's oh so sweet. Holding seeds for journeys new, starting life's adventure too. Together parts create the whole, playing nature's perfect role. In this dance they find their place, a wondrous world full of grace. Roots drink